Hey, how's everybody doing? I just want to do a quick little video in the daylight, show you guys what this bird was looking like. Got a lot of silver and white in him, or her, whichever one it is. Feisty little bird. Hey, he's a feisty little booger. Not to be messed with too much, but good size for 12 days old. I mean, that's my hand. You can see a lot of silver in his feathers. I thought it was cool. That was the first silver I ever bred. I hear you guys. This is the parents to that bird. That's the mother on the left and the father on the right. Both Staff Van Reet from Frank McLaughlin. I figured I'd just let you guys take a look and see what they're doing. The black onyx and his baby right above him with the Heights and Scion hen. And there's the baby Staff Van Reet that was bred from the hen. It died 642, and he's the dad. But yeah, turned into some good birds. But yeah, I was more excited about this guy right here. For you guys to like take a look at him in the light, actually see his color. Yeah, he don't like to be bothered, but he's big. He's like, he's a big bird for 11 days. Or she. I got a big hand, but that's crazy. I ain't getting all the food, all the health. All right, guys. Everybody have a blessed one. Peace.